150 sentences for beginners. May likes chocolate cake. Negative. May doesn't like chocolate cake. Yes/no question. Does May like chocolate cake? WH question. What does May like? Tag question. May likes chocolate cake, doesn't she? Amy makes tea. Negative. Amy doesn't make tea. Yes/no question. Does Amy make tea? WH question. What does Amy make? Tag question. Amy makes tea, doesn't she? The train is fast. Negative. The train isn't fast. Yes/no question. Is the train fast? WH question. How is the train? Tag question. The train is fast, isn't it? The kids play happily. Negative. The kids don't play happily. Yes/no question. Do the kids play happily? WH question. How do the kids play? Tag question. The kids play happily, don't they? The book is on the table. Negative. The book isn't on the table. Yes/no question. Is the book on the table? WH question. Where is the book? Tag question. The book is on the table, isn't it?